Good morning. We are in Las Terrenas and now we are waiting for our breakfast. It's not a really big breakfast because we are going for a dive. We are going to do 2 dives today in different size. Now we are going to drive to Samana Bay and from there to take a boat and go to the dive site. And I'm so excited because this is the first time that we are going to dive and it's not part of our course. The first dive is gonna be a deep dive, but the second one is gonna be shallow dive. When you are diving in a shallow, you have more time because you use less oxygen. And after these 2 dives, we are going to stay in an island. Let's go and see what I can do. And this time I'm going to film it. The place we are going to, usually people during January till March they go for whale watching, but I don't know. This is now it's December. I'm not sure if we can see any whale, but it's just some days to January. I hope that at least we can see one whale. Then it means that I'm so lucky. We had 2 dives. One we went down to 26 meters. The visibility was not really great, but still is a dive, it's an adventure. I love it. And also after the first dive I had to swim from the boat to an island, and I swam back and it was quite tiring. And the second dive, it was like we went to the shipwreck under the water and it was really amazing. And now we are in an island. I forgot the name of the island. Cayo Levantado is the name of this island and it's beautiful. And I just got my coconut drink and I'm going just to relax. After crazy dive you need just to relax.